So let's go on to example 2. We have y is less than or equal to negative 2x minus 2. Guy, help me out. What is my m?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Why is it negative 2?
Because it's the one not next to the variable.
Because
It's the one next to the variable.
It's one next to the variable. Okay. And my b is what, Josh?
Negative 2.
Negative 2 again. Okay, why is it negative 2 and not positive 2?
Because it's next to the subtraction sign.
It's next to the subtraction sign, okay? If I am looking to start my graph, where am I going to start it, Eric?
On negative 2 on the y-axis.
I'm going to start at negative 2 on the y-axis because that is my what? The what?
Y-intercept.
Oh, okay, that is the y-intercept, so I couldn't hear you. If I have a dotted or solid line, how am I going to know? Arnisha, dotted or solid line?
Solid.
Solid, how'd you know? Greater than or equal to. So I'm starting at negative 2. Like Eric told me, where am I going to go from here? Alyssa, where am I going from here?
You're going to go on the graph.
I already started on the graph.
You're going to go down to and over 1.
I'm going to go down 2 and over 1. Okay, why did I go over 1?
Because it's a 2 by itself.
Because it's a 2 by itself. Okay, so if it's a 2, if there's any number by itself, what do I do?
You put 1 underneath it.
You put a 1 underneath it. Excellent. Okay, so am I finished?
No.
No. Okay, Julia, what's my next step?
For the other equation?
No, for this, do I just stop with 2 dots?
No, you gotta keep going the same.
Keep
go
going?
Down 2
Okay.
over 1.
Down 2 over 1 again, down 2 over 1 again. Excellent. Now that I've done this, Mason, to finish my first graph, what am I going to do? Draw the line. Okay, dotted or solid? Dotted. Check back to your notes. Quick review. Why do you think I would do a dotted line?
Solid.
It's a solid. Okay, now why'd you tell me it's a solid? Mason, you gotta read your notes, man. Come on. No, I'm not leaving you go. Why is it a solid line? I'll give you a hint. Check out the signs. If you listen carefully enough, God will give you a hint. It's what equal to? All right, tell you what, we're going to come back to that, Mason. I'm going to help you with the independent practice. Guy, you keep talking, all right? We are going to have a solid line because it is less than or equal to. Okay? It is less than or equal to. Thank you very much, Guy.
Thank you.
So I've got it. Now, am I going to shade above or below the line, Bethany? Below the line. Why do you say that? Why do you say below the line? Because it's less than or equal to. So I'm going to create my little shading right there. For the second graph, my m is what, Jenny? 1 over 2. How'd you know? Okay, so it says it right there?
Because it's next to the variable.
Because it's next to the variable. What is my b, Sabrina?
-1.
-1. Why is it -1?
Because I got the subtraction sign in front of
Because it's
it.
got a subtraction in front of it. And am I looking at a dotted or solid line, Nicholas?
Dotted.
Dotted. Why is dotted?
Because it doesn't have or equal to.
Because it doesn't have or equal to. Excellent. So now where am I starting on my graph, Herman?
You start at -1.
I'm starting at -1, which is my what?
Y.
My
Y-intercept.
my y-intercept. Nice vocabulary. From there, I am doing what, Chris? What am I doing from here?
You go up 1 over 2.
Up 1 over 2 because that is my what?
M.
That is my m, okay? And if it's fun, what do you call it?
Rise over run.
Rise over run. Excellent.
You write it down?
So I've got this, and I'm going to shade above or below the line. I'm staying with you, Chris.
You shade below the line.
I'm going to shade
I mean,
below
above.
the line. Tell me if you agree with
Above.
Chris. Oh, Chris, you changed your answer?
Yeah,
Why'd you
above.
change your answer?
Because it's a greater than.
Because it's a greater than. Okay. So now I'm going to do a little mini shading. I now need to know which section is going to work for me. Okay? I'm going to ask Tori to help me with my first section. This section right here. Is it going to work, Tori? No. Does it work for the green line?
Yes.
Does it work for the purple line?
No.
Okay, so that does not work. This next section right here. Herman, does it work for the green line?
No.
Does it work for the purple line?
No.
Does this section work at all? Okay,
How you
Nicholas,
find that
this
out?
section right here. Does it work for the purple line?
Yes.
Green line?
No.
Does it work for the whole thing?
No.
No, Julio, does this section work right here for the purple line?
Yes.
Does it work for the green line?
Yeah.
Do you think this is our answer?
Yes.
You shouldn't think, you should know
Well,
it's our answer.
Mr. Mac.
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what I want you doing now is I want you doing practice one on your own. If you have a question, raise your hand.
How do you find out your answer?
How do you find out your answer? What we were just doing right here.
Yeah.
We have to make sure each section works with it. So this section right here,
Oh,
green
so
did not
like-
work,
Oh.
or purple did not work, but green worked. That's not right because we need both sections.
So that they can make it even, like,
Wait one second.
so,
So-
that the line, yeah.
So the lines have to both be, they have to be shaded in the same shade.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Thank
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I took away the problems. That's my fault. Go ahead.
Go back, I needed it. Come on, go.
All right, Herman's getting it done. Eric's getting it done. Guy has a question. I'm coming over.